Okay, so this will just be a quick video about how you can use curl and regular expressions to scrape whatever information you want from websites. And I'll show you the script I wrote basically where I find gold and silver prices. So the website I use or currently use is just this one because for some reason AppMex doesn't allow you to use curl. It just shows you a blank page basically. But yeah, so for those who are unaware, the curl command basically allows you to take a URL and it gives you all the HTML for the site. So that's just a bunch of garbage. But the way we can use that though is we can basically filter out stuff from it. So if we do that again and pipe that into like HTML to text, we get a much more readable thing because it's just text, and we can kind of correspond different things. So this is the gold part of the website. You can see the bid here, 5,225 right now. Yeah, so I guess we could come up with like a clever regular expression to find this bit of data basically, and that'll allow us to scrape gold prices. So I guess I'll do it text. I'll do it live, I suppose. But yeah, if we wanted to come up with a regular expression to find that, pipe that into grep-e for extended regular expressions. We would just we'd want an anchor, I guess, to denote the beginning of a string. Then we could, it had like 3 hashtags in front of it or whatever, or pound signs, so do that. And then there's 0 or more, well actually there's 1 or more of those because we don't want it to pick up on anything that doesn't have those, you know. And then there's like a space in there, or some amount of spaces, so 0 or more of that. That's what the star represents. Plus signs 1 or more. And then 0 to 9, so we have some amount of numbers 0 to 9, 0 or more of those, just because if the price of gold drops, you know, it might not be any more. And then we'll want the comma, same deal, 0 or more. Then 3 numbers, 0 to 9 again. Then we'll want the period, 1 or more of those. And then some amount of numbers, so 0 to 9, and 1 or more of those. So yeah, that basically matched us with this number right here for the bid of gold right now. And we can now use that in we had filtered out some more with like other commands basically. What my script does is it basically does exactly that. You just sets a variable named gold that's equal to a curl, pipes that into HTML to text, greps basically what I just wrote. Then it pipes that into another grep that uses the -o flag to only capture highlighted text, and what that does is essentially filters out the 3 pound signs at the beginning so they're not being displayed when you print the price of gold or silver. And then it echoes both the price of gold and the price of silver. And if we run it real quick, we can see that it works. And yeah, that's basically how I scrape gold and silver prices. I hope someone found this helpful. Thanks for watching.